Are you tired of feeling lost and unfulfilled in your career? Do you want to unlock your full potential and achieve career success? If so, then you're in luck, because today we will be exploring the fascinating topic of numerology and its relationship to career success. By harnessing the power of numerology, you can discover your natural talents, understand your life path, and make informed decisions about your career. So, get ready to unlock your full potential and take control of your career with the power of numerology. Hello everyone, and welcome to today's video titled Harness the Power of Numerology to Achieve Career Success. In this video, we will be exploring the fascinating topic of numerology and its relationship to career success. What is numerology? Numerology is a fascinating and ancient system of divination that is based on the study of numbers and their meanings. It is believed that numbers have a vibrational energy that can influence different aspects of our lives, including our personality, relationships, and even our career. According to numerology, every person has a unique life path number, which is calculated based on their date of birth. This number is believed to reveal your life purpose, natural talents, strengths, and weaknesses. By understanding your life path number, you can gain insight into your character and make informed decisions about your career. Numerology is not just limited to the study of life path numbers. It also involves the study of other important numbers, such as your destiny number, soul edge number, and personality number. Each of these numbers is calculated based on different aspects of your birth date and can provide valuable insights into your personality and life purpose. Numerology has been used for centuries to gain insight into important decisions, such as choosing a career or making life-changing choices. It has been studied by many great thinkers and philosophers, including Pythagoras, who is considered the father of modern numerology. In summary, numerology is the study of numbers and their meanings, and it can provide valuable insights into our personality, relationships, and career. By understanding the power of numerology, we can unlock our full potential and achieve greater success and happiness in all areas of our lives. Life path number. Your life path number is the most important number in numerology. It is calculated based on your date of birth, and it reveals your life purpose, natural talents, strengths, and weaknesses. Understanding your life path number can help you make informed decisions about your career and other important aspects of your life. To calculate your life path number, you need to add up the digits in your birth date and reduce them to a single digit. For example, if your birth date is December 31, 1990, you would add up 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 1 plus 9 plus 9 plus 0, which equals 25. Then you would add 2 plus 5, which equals 7. Therefore, your life path number is 7. Each life path number has its own unique qualities and characteristics. For example, life path number 1 is associated with leadership, independence, and creativity. People with this life path number tend to be ambitious and have a strong desire to succeed in their careers. Life path number 2, on the other hand, is associated with cooperation, harmony, and diplomacy. People with this life path number tend to be peacemakers and have a talent for resolving conflicts. Life path number 3 is associated with creativity, self-expression, and communication. People with this life path number tend to be artistic and have a talent for writing, speaking, or performing. Life path number 4 is associated with stability, hard work, and practicality. People with this life path number tend to be reliable and have a talent for organization and management. Life path number 5 is associated with adventure, freedom, and versatility. People with this life path number tend to be curious and have a talent for travel, exploration, or entrepreneurship. Life path number 6 is associated with nurturing, compassion, and service. People with this life path number tend to be caring and have a talent for teaching, counseling, or healing. Life path number 7 is associated with introspection, spirituality, and analysis. People with this life path number tend to be philosophical and have a talent for research, analysis, or teaching. Life path number 8 is associated with abundance, power, and success. People with this life path number tend to be ambitious and have a talent for business, finance, or politics. Life path number 9 is associated with compassion, creativity, and humanitarianism. People with this life path number tend to be altruistic and have a talent for social work, activism, or the arts. Your life path number is a key element of numerology that can provide valuable insights into your personality, strengths, and weaknesses. By understanding your life path number, you can make informed decisions about your career and other important aspects of your life. Before we continue the rest of the video, are you ready to unlock a financial breakthrough in 2023? Look no further than the most sought-after deity for wealth and luck in Chinese culture, the Five Directions God of Wealth. Known as the #1 god for wealth and luck in ancient Chinese culture, invoking them can bring good fortune to your life. Their heartfelt wish is for you to experience abundance, happiness, and good health. And now, they're sharing a 5,000-year-old sacred money prayer with you, a gift beloved by the wealth gods and used for centuries to attract financial abundance. Don't miss out on this opportunity to manifest your financial goals. Click the link in the description to access the prayer and start your journey towards financial abundance today. Now going back to the video. How numerology can help your career. Numerology can be a powerful tool to help you make informed decisions about your career. By understanding your life path number and other important numbers, you can gain valuable insights into your personality, strengths, and weaknesses. Here are some ways numerology can help you achieve career success. Identify your natural talents. Numerology can help you identify your natural talents and abilities. For example, if your life path number is 3, you may have a talent for writing, speaking, or performing. By recognizing your natural talents, you can choose a career that aligns with your strengths and passions. Understand your strengths and weaknesses. Numerology can also help you understand your strengths and weaknesses. For example, if your destiny number is 4, you may be a reliable and hardworking person, but may struggle with taking risks or being flexible. By recognizing your strengths and weaknesses, you can choose a career that maximizes your strengths and minimizes your weaknesses. Make informed career decisions. Numerology can provide insight into the type of career that may be best suited for you. For example, if your life path number is 8, you may be well suited for a career in business, finance, or politics. By understanding the qualities associated with your life path number, you can choose a career that aligns with your natural talents and strengths. Plan your career path. Numerology can also help you plan your career path. By using numerology to gain insight into your life purpose, you can choose a career that aligns with your overall goals and ambitions. Improve communication and relationships. Numerology can also help you improve communication and relationships in the workplace. By understanding the personality traits associated with different life path numbers, you can communicate effectively with coworkers and build strong relationships with clients and customers. Using numerology for decision-making. Numerology can also be used to make informed decisions about your career. For instance, if you are considering a new job offer or a career change, you can calculate the numerology of the job or company to determine whether it is a good fit for you. This can also help you avoid potential pitfalls and make informed decisions that align with your life path number. Numerology is a powerful tool that can help you unlock your full potential and achieve career success. It emphasizes that by gaining insights into their unique numerological profile, individuals can make well-informed decisions that align with their life purpose, strengths, and weaknesses. The segment suggests using both the life path number and the destiny number to guide decision-making. By understanding the qualities and tendencies associated with these numbers, individuals can make career choices, navigate challenging situations, and make important life decisions that are in alignment with their values and goals. Overall, numerology provides a framework for decision-making that takes into account the individual's unique strengths and talents, making it a powerful tool for achieving career success and personal fulfillment. So, take the time to explore the power of numerology and unlock your full potential today. If you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more insightful content on personal growth and development. Thank you for watching.